All right, guys, I don't know if we're live. Are we live? Who knows if we're live? All right, it was a great day. Thank you for joining. Had a little bit of an issue. I was streaming for nobody initially. But, guys, this is ATB Morning Stream. We're going to give you a half hour of all the best crypto news that has happened over the past day. And we're going to get right into it by going to CoinGecko and looking at the markets. The markets are not looking good, folks, especially the alts. The alts are down. We have Bitcoin down 1%, Ethereum down 1%. But let's look at some of these other coins. XRP is down 5%. Dogecoin down 6%. It is now below 7 cents. Cardano down almost 6%. Solana down 7.5%. And then Polygon down 8% there. This is down about 12% for the week. Teresa, Jack, Troy, John, Mello, how are we all doing? I started for an hour. I was streaming started 10 minutes ago. And then I noticed nobody was jumping in, and I don't know what happened. It was a little issue with my streaming software. But I tried to start on time, folks. All right, we have I don't know how to say it. It's about the only coin that is positive today. But if we look at the losers, we have ApeCoin down a significant amount. Pepe is down a significant amount. Aptos is down. Kava, Uniswap, IMX. A lot of coins down around 10%. What I find interesting, a lot of these coins were ones listed in the Coinbase court filings there. The 48 coins the SEC says are securities. A lot of these coins are getting hurt, so it makes me wonder, is there inside information to be had? Do we have more enforcement actions about to happen? Everybody claims these coins are going to hit all-time highs, but they don't take into account that 2 years ago, circulating supply was way lower. Yeah, we did a good video of BitBoy talking about Filecoin. Filecoin might not hit all-time highs because the amount of coins that are out now is significant. But yeah, really, really good point. Tokenomics is one thing people don't look at. So Chainlink, looks like Chainlink also is down. Someone's mad they bought it. Chainlink is now $6.81. You know what? That's fine. I'll probably buy more, folks. I've been actually thinking I don't have enough Chainlink. I have 2 Chainlink. I want to get 3. The 1 year, it's just flat, folks. I mean, we were trading between $5 and $9. But if you go to that max, guys, I think we could hit $100. I don't know if it's going to hit 100, but I think it could hit 100. All right, let's talk about a huge unlock about to happen. Not about to. But it's a significant amount. That's why we want to cover it here. $1 billion of ARB is being dropped in March. I'm not even going to kid you. This makes me want to sell my ARB and get into a different L2 solution. So this is a scalable, low-cost smart contract capabilities. And they're going to unlock 1 billion ARB tokens, folks, worth over $1 billion. This amount is 87% of what's circulating right now. So it's almost going to double the supply. And so, guys, that is going to be a lot of sell pressure. Just be very careful with this ARB unlock in March. I did not know about this. When I saw the amount, I had to share it with you, folks. Chainlink back. Hey, I will be the responsible one, but make sure you sell. Don't be like DZ and ride it all the way down. Is there an app or a way to find out the circulating supply? Yeah, we have some crypto tools. You go to BitLab Academy, and you can find that. I don't know the domain names off the top of my head, but yeah, there's math. You can move the calendar, and it'll tell you circulating supply. So talk about Stellar, a lot of XLM, XRP fans in the chat right now. So XLM, they got a pretty big move that they did a couple days ago. They added investment for MoneyGram, and it came out of Stellar Foundation's own cash treasury, using assets to support the operations. Was not used in their startup early stage fund, which is their enterprise fund. So Stellar now owns part of MoneyGram International. They got a little bit with it, though. They don't have the financial details. We don't know if it's 10%, 1%, 80%. But they did get a seat on the board of directors. So that's a big news. That's a big deal. That's what all the big money people want. They want those board of director seats. Sometimes more important than equity, because it might have more power than your one board seat might give you more power than the guy that owns more stock than you. ICP thoughts. I'm pretty bullish on ICP. It got beaten down pretty hard by the FTX crash, and apparently Sam Bankman-Fried had his hand to play in the suppression of the price there. Yeah, it launched just so high. A lot of people got out at 400. I can only imagine how they feel about that. If we look at the 1 year chart, we're in the local lows, but we are higher than this low. So we're putting in higher lows. If we fall below this 370 range, it looks like we're skirting with disaster. If it hits that low, it looks like it might just wick down to 350. So we can't hold above 370. It looks like it might go down to 350. But guys, this looks like a good buy. This looks like a good buy. I might try to buy this and Caspa. Caspa is a little bit harder to buy because, you know, American KuCoin, that all good, you know, all that good stuff. All right, Crimson GM, when you get wrenched, hey, he's been wrenching it. Doesn't DZ look like Bukele's cousin or something? I've been told that. We do favor each other. He needs to lose some hair, or I need to grow some hair. Then, you know, we're basically the same person, folks. You're going to make me look him up, aren't you? You're going to make me look him up. Why is Bukele daughter up there? That's weird. All right. Now, he's a little bit more tan. I need better lighting, folks. I need a better camera. That's not a weird kind of salute there, is it? Whoa, he looks like real dark and disturbing right there. Oh, wait. I'm trying. Hold on. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Can't unsee. All right, that was a fun little aside. Let's get back to the news here. Donald Trump's Ethereum holdings surge to $2.8 million. Remember, we covered... Why am I floating up in the sky? Hey, Donald. I'm not going to do it. So we covered his amount earlier. You know, it looked like he had about $500,000. Well, folks, he has more than that because someone tracked the wallet. And so this is just good old blockchain news. So we'll see this in his next quarterly report or whatever. I think they got to do it every 3 months where they have a disclosure form for the amount of money that they have. Thoughts on EOS? Active on X, a lot of news. Price is extremely low. Any hopes for it? Yeah, there's definitely hopes for it. It is an old chain that old money likes, but that's the problem. It is an old chain. People like the new hotness. All right, let's talk about Trump's ETH wallet here. Looks like ETH wallet now holds almost $3 million, folks. His ETH wallet has 2.8 milli, significant increase because we reported that he had between a half and a quarter million back in April. We were just covering that a couple days ago. Well, this revelation came to light by the Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington. Further highlight is he earned $4.8 million from licensing fees associated with the collections that utilize his image. In total, he's earned $7.6 million from the NFTs. We looked at the NFTs. You know, they're pretty funny. Here's his thought on NFTs when he talked to the OAN show here. I'm going to try to do a bad Trump impression. Please don't, cancel me. Well, I know nothing about them. Then a group came and I love the art. They showed me the art. It's comic book art when you think about it, but they showed me the art and I said, I always want to have a 38-inch waist, but I'm looking at this stuff and I'm saying, that's sort of cute. That might sell. But then he was saying it thought it sold in 6 months. It sold in 6 hours. And it set like a record. I understand it's been incredible, If you bought a card for $99, I guess it's much, much higher than that. And then here talking about, I heard the Wall Street Journal or somebody say it was the investment of the year. Might have been investment of the century. Might have been the best investment since Jesus Christ. Here we're saying, I thought they were cute. I mean, for $99, you're getting these visions that are very beautiful. Very interesting, I think. Let's see. So when it was announced, he said, what's he doing it for? That's so cold. He did it. I guess it was one of the most successful, maybe the most successful. It was, certainly, in terms of speed. The whole thing sold out almost immediately. Pretty amazing, if you ask me. So yeah, that's his quote there, and that was the bad Trump impression there. All right, so we have an old Bitcoin whale moving some funds here. And guys, again, sorry we started late. I had issues with the streaming software. Finally got it. This was the 3rd stream that I've started. But hey, we're here now, so please hit that like button. Thank you for joining in. All right, Satoshi era wallet abruptly wakes up. How do they know it's abruptly? How do you know it wasn't slowly? It was like he put in one phrase at the seed. Then he typed in the second a month later. All right, so it abruptly woke up after sitting dormant for 13 years. How much crypto? About $30 million worth is how much he unloaded. He sent all 1,000 Bitcoin it owned to another wallet. This was moved in 2010, folks. How much was Bitcoin at the time? 22 cents. And then he did another in April 2011 when it was $1.31. And then that's it. That's it. This man did not touch his Bitcoin since 22 cents. Oh, wait, I'm lying, except for when he added more after the price did a 6x. So the price does a 6x. What does he do? Does he sell? For 6x, guys, you put in $1,000, you got 6,000. Surely you should sell 5,000 and keep your moon bag. Now, this man bought more. He tripled down. He quadrupled down. He didn't quadruple down, but he bought more. All right. He actually only bought 5. So he barely bought any. But I just like the fact that he bought more. He didn't sell. So the estimate that Nakamoto mined 1 million. Starting with the first Bitcoin Genesis block, then the last publicly verifiable online sighting of Satoshi was December. So it was a month after that. Then Satoshi was gone. That's when he, I can't remember what his final post was. We've talked about it on the channel before. All right, guys, make sure you follow ATB Twitter there. It's ATB_daily, ATB_daily. I am not responsible for the GM tweets. That is clearly our social media person. Shout out to Hannah. She does a great job on the Saturday videos, so make sure you check those out. Give it a like, leave a comment there. Best investment since Jesus. Hey man, that's what he said, not me. I think he probably said it at some point. Here says staking rewards on HBAR went down. Here's why that is a good thing. And remember, AM, it's me and you. We go around the blockchain. Staking rewards. You know what staking rewards is? It's sell pressure. Okay. Do you want sell pressure? You don't want sell pressure, do you? You don't want the sell pressure. You want that coin to go up. And one of the ways the coin goes up is people stop selling it. And one of the ways people stop selling it is they run out of the bag to sell. And so when you have 60% APY, that is just sell pressure. Dump, dump, dump. So oftentimes when you take away the yield, that's when price starts to go up. I know it's a little bit counterintuitive there. Where the heck is my window? Do I not have? I don't have a window for this desk. I feel like I've shrunken, man. The studio keeps getting bigger, and I'm like that 90s commercial where the secretary keeps shrinking after the boss talks to her. That's a bad reference. Anyways. All right, let's talk about SHIB here. SHIB's got some news, too. It wasn't just, it's not just a dog coin that doesn't do anything. I've kind of joked about the Shibarium, in the SHIB community. But guys, from a TA perspective, it started to look good. I ended up buying a little bit. We publicly disclosed it in the BitBoy newsletter. So, I shared my trade there. It is down today. It has turned this into a 1, and then had this as an 8. And so, or this as an 8. So we can do about a 9x from here to reach previous all-time high for coin price, not total supply. I don't know what they're burning or what they're adding and stuff like that. But let's get back to SHIB here. We look at the one year. Whenever it does a little breakout, it tends to do well. I don't know. I'm not the TA guy, so the TA people like it. So I bought some. I'm up like 20%, probably 30. Let's see, about 2 weeks ago, 16%. Wow, it's actually down on the week. Okay. All right, so 33 billion SHIB moved from exchanges as the founder, Kusama, teases Shibarium launched today. I think easily ahead dev, one or the other. So anonymous whales have been transferred an astounding amount of SHIB tokens between wallets. Also withdrawing. Here's the important part, because moving it from one wallet to another doesn't mean anything. But they're withdrawing billions from major crypto exchanges. 14 transactions carried 33 billion Shiba. Among them, 2 billion Shiba lump withdrawals from a KuCoin wallet to anonymous addresses. So they're pulling off a KuCoin. They're also pulling off a OKX exchange, presumably after a recent purchase to unknown wallets. So therefore, around 4 billion were removed from exchanges, and the rest were exchanged between anonymous crypto whales. It's down after the guy's speech. That's the buy the rumor, sells the nude. Okay, lead developer, not the crap. Not the founder. I think it might be. He delivered a short AI-powered speech during the annual blockchain conference in Toronto. Kind of covered this, I think, on Monday. He's going to be hidden behind a hash mask. I don't know. Then it went lower, kept dropping. So we see that a lot. Big announcement. What happens? Price falls. We had Bitcoin Miami 2021. What happened? El Salvador announced Bitcoin's legal tender. What happened? Bitcoin crashes. So, don't be alarmed that the good news made it drop there. A lot of people still not convinced. Hey, I'm not here to convince anyone. I'm here to change the world. That sounds like Satoshi, baby. He also released an approximate program of their part in the Blockchain Futures Conference where he gave a speech. I'm talking, then big reveal, then there's a short movie, then more discussion, then a few more. Tour of MV, quick announcement, and reveal, announcement. Thank you. Enjoy the party. It was a beach party in Toronto. I'm sure that was cold and not fun. I'm joking. We love our Canadians. We love partying in the Great Lakes, man, on the beach, bro. You could surf. What is Shibarium? Just kind of, just in case, Shibarium is the upcoming L2. So they have an L2 coming soon, supposedly, so that's one of the bull case reasons why people like Shiba. They're saying that's why the Shiba community would say we're better than Doge, and then the Doge community say, yeah, but we got Elon and we're gonna have X and we're gonna do a bunch of cool stuff. What do you guys think? You can only have one, and you got $1,000 to put into one of them. Are you gonna buy SHIB or are you gonna buy Doge? What do you think is gonna be the better buy? I'm torn. That's why I have a bag of both. I'm not trying to, choose one winner and just bet that I'm right. I'd rather split my, maybe get a little bit of less of a win or maybe a little bit less of a loss. You resemble the Micro Machine guy back in the 90s. I don't know how I feel about that one. Oh, man. What does that mean? What does that mean? Is Cass becoming oversold? I feel good about buying it. I wish I had some price memory with the 2021 bull market, but I do want to get some. And you say it was T at the end. Would you like to hear Indesso? Don't really have any. Haven't really researched that one. Did it make it in time for sign off? Oh yeah, we're here. Why is moving to Dubai? Now I think it's for Bitcoin, so we can do a lot more stuff for Bitcoin. As Americans, it is pretty tough doing anything that might be labeled as a security. So I would say it's pretty bullish for that project out there. Brian gifting the blockchain membership. Who's gonna be the lucky recipient? And it looks like it was Ron, Crypto Cocaine. So shout out to Crypto Cocaine. Do you like Kurt Cobain? All right, Shibarium, Dynamics, DEXs, Launchpads, dApps, NFTs, memes. So they're trying to do a lot of stuff. They also have two other coins. I haven't looked into the tokenomics of Bone and Tree. I looked into it a little bit. It's a lot less circulating supply. I think one's like maybe 1 billion tokens. Tree, they do a little bit more stuff, but I don't know the buy pressure, so I need to do more research on those. So I just aped in on the one that's easy to buy, not the one that you had to work for. Disagree. Well, I mean, different strokes, different folks there. I think you hiring in Georgia office. Flippa Frank, where do you live, Flippa, shoot me a DM on X. We can start a correspondence there. Joy Stream, let's go Bit Squad, hit that like button. Where are we at on likes? We got over 160. Guys, we only have 54. Why do we keep needing around 15 likes, man? All right, let's talk about Coinbase. Shout out to Brian Armstrong, the bald brother. They finally won approval to list crypto futures in the U.S., the final part of the news of the day here. First crypto platform to offer regulated and leveraged crypto futures alongside traditional spot trading. So this is big for an American company here. This is after 2 years when they applied here. So they had to get it from the National Futures Association, the NFA, to operate this as a merchant license here. The role of this is to buy or sell futures contracts similar to that of a market maker. Guys, you've done this, but you just did it with the overseas exchange. And now we have something in America. I'm curious to see. All right, so the markets have opened. I'm curious to see what the stock has done upon opening here. It's up. It is up. It's up 3%. So Coinbase is up. The stock's up on the news here. Offering U.S. investors access to secure, regulated crypto futures is key to unlocking growth and enabling broader participation in the crypto economy. Here's the most bullish thing for it. Who makes money on futures? 2% of traders and the exchange. Who loses money? Everybody else. So to me, this is a new product by Coinbase that, I don't know the numbers. It's too early to tell, but Binance, I've heard, prints money off their leverage trading platform. Bybit prints money off their leverage trading platform. Will Coinbase make much more money off their leverage trading platform compared to their spot trading platform, or versus their subscription-based revenue model? And so if you got a lot of degens, they say, well, I'm tired of using this exchange or that exchange, I'm going to go here just because it's a lot easier. I mean, is Coinbase going to start printing money as everybody gets liquidated as we get closer to the bull run? I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see. Now, I've been vocal. Now, this is from CFTC Commissioner Christy Romero. I've been vocal about the benefits of bringing appropriate activities into the regulated space in order to protect customers, but in a way that supports oversight, accountability, transparency, and risk management. Looks like in pre-market, Coinbase was up 5%. Now it's cooled off a little bit. So good news there. Let's see. I like to print money. Hey, I too would like to print money, but I think the Secret Service doesn't like it for some reason. 15 likes, subliminal messaging from your hairline on how many hairs are left. Hey, I have at least twice that just on my left test. Anyways, just hit the like. Sorry for, hey guys, it is all good. We've gone from 54 to 72. I need 3 of you to undo it. We're just kidding, folks. All right, let's go back to the market, see where things are going. Check out CoinGecko. Looks like Bitcoin's retracing some of those losses a little bit. Yeah, we've bounced a little bit, baby. We've set in a little bit of a higher low. I'm not going to say, hey, you know, let's go start opening some long positions. But it looks like it does not at the moment. Guys, we could burst through this support here. But it looks like Bitcoin wants to hold on to $29,000. All right, Brian with another gift there to G Money, baby. Brian, I appreciate it, man. Dynamine mining. Yeah, he misses mining profitability. I went to Reddit. There's someone, they're like, I mined for a year with the 2080. And then they got $70 over a whole year, though. Still using cocoa butter. I rub coconut oil over my head. That is why we are so shiny. You might have to turn down the brightness as I blind you in the mornings there. Something. What are you talking about, bro? Tip? I don't know what you're talking about there. All right, so Coinbase, Bitcoin down a little bit. Ethereum, you know, looks like it's kind of mimicking the movement here. But we did have that one gainer, and is the new coin. So are people is this sucking up the liquidity? Is that what's happening, folks? Is all the new money just going into this instead of people like DCAing a little Bitcoin? So if you want to know why the market's down, it looks like we had to prop up this coin. So all the money sucked into this coin right here. You know, I'm just kind of joking. But I think that is a little bit of an effect, was money flowing into, say... Rocket pulls up a little bit. XDC's up. White Bitcoin. Guys, I haven't even seen this coin before. It is already rocketed into the top 50. Caspa's also looking good. So still down 14% on the week though. So, but if you're looking for something that's really been beaten down, Kava's way down. Pepe's been beaten down. Aptos is way down. Uniswap is way down. A lot of things just on sale today. Are they going to keep being on sale? Are they going to be slashed again in the future? Looks increasingly likely, folks, but I'm probably going to go ahead and DCA. I didn't DCA Friday. I'm going to be looking to double my DCA 2 days from now, so I'll let you guys know what I buy. Let me know what you buy, then you know, we'll compare notes in a week from now. 3-wave pattern up now, 3 waves down for Bitcoin. Be happy for 28.27. I would like to you know, get some of this cheaper corn, baby. All right, well. Guys, I got to go into the studio. I got to host the morning stream in just an hour and a half. So I got to have time to eat. It's a 30-minute drive for me. So I got to get ready. I got to head out. It's been a great stream as always. Sorry we started, I think, 10 minutes late. Just streaming software issues, guys. It happens when you're a YouTuber. But see you in an hour and a half or at 5 p.m. Make sure you watch the 5 p.m. ATB, guys. We got some good guests. You're going to want to check this one out. All right, later on, everybody.